Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble rings underwater. It's a fun trick that takes a little practice, but is very rewarding. First, find a calm spot in the water, ideally between 2 and 6 meters deep. This depth provides optimal pressure for the rings to form. Next, get your body completely still and horizontal, looking up towards the surface. Also, remember to cover your nostrils, perhaps with a mask, to ensure only mouth bubbles are released. Now, let's focus on your mouth. Take a good, deep breath and fill your cheeks with air, like a chipmunk. Then, purse your lips together to form a tight, circular O shape. Imagine you're about to say puh or poop, but keep your mouth closed for a moment. This creates a small amount of pressure, which is crucial for the next step in forming a perfect ring. The key is a quick, controlled release of air. With your cheeks puffed and lips in an O, quickly pop your mouth open and then immediately close it. This creates a small, golf ball-sized pulse of air. Another effective method involves sticking your tongue out slightly, then rapidly pulling it back while pushing out air. This action helps shape the air into a spinning ring. Remember to close your mouth sharply to ensure the bubble forms correctly. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't yield perfect rings. It takes practice. Start by releasing very small, quick bursts of air, rather than a long exhale. Experiment with how you shape your mouth and use your tongue. Everyone's technique might vary slightly. With consistent practice, you'll soon be creating beautiful, spinning bubble rings that gracefully rise to the surface. Enjoy the process and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.